Hello guys, today I'm here with a new video and it's about designing a typing effect. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit subscribe today and like my videos and click the bell icon to never miss any upcoming video. So let's start coding. I'll open my code editor. You can use any code editor, but I recommend you to use VS Code. So I'll make a new index.html file and a main.css. So to have HTML sample, you press Ctrl space and click HTML sample. Then page title, and this is the link to the main.css file. We won't need the script tag though. And let's start the markup. So we would go live with the live server extension now. Let's start it. Okay, so we would put a container for typing text, div.typing container, and then a span element for the typing effect and the id for the span element, typing text. The content would be something like typing. So we have a simple markup here. Now we will style it in main.css. We will select the container for typing text, put 100% and a width of 100%, position absolute, and top 0, left 0, background color #blue. It will be something like more darker, and display flex, so we can align the element to the center. Align items, center, justify content, center. We put a color of #ff. Here we have it centered on the web page. Now we style the typing text. This typing text is the span element. We will put a font family of monospace and font size of 38px. Okay, we have it styled. So we will add JavaScript now. In order for this to work, we put a script tab and we will define some variables first. Var I equals 0, text equals typing. So we had text here, it will be typed in this span element, so we don't need this. We'll remove it, and then we'll define a setInterval function. setInterval, then the function, we will define arrow function. We will select this span element with the id, document dot get element by id, typing text dot inner html plus equals text dot chart I. Then we would increase the I variable with 1, I plus plus. Then here we will define a step that would go by in the setInterval function, about 300 milliseconds. We have it working now. Okay, I'll explain what happens in this function. Here document.getElement by the typing text, it selects element, this element with the id typing text, and calls in HTML method, and we add text.char at I equals 0. So the char at I0 is t, and it would add the t first, and then we will add +1 to the I, so it will loop by for after 300 milliseconds again and again. So now we will reload the page again. We have it working now successfully, and the CSS part is optional, and that is putting a blinking effect, cursor blinking effect. So we will add it now. We will select the typing text span element, repeat here, animation blink 0.3s is infinite, and we'll define an animation blink 0%. We'll define border right 3px solid hash fff, and 100% border right 3px solid transparent. The animation is nice and smooth. So we'll reload the page. We have successful nice typing effect. I think you got clear idea about this, so you can add this to your next website. So let us meet in another awesome video. Thank you for watching.